Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. This time I'm extending my uncle's tile shops, and here this name is the Big Lion Group. First of all, I want to introduce this tile shop. It was established recently, like 6 months ago. But what the opportunity and what kind of the things you will get? The most modern technology and tools of tiles you will get from these shops. First of all, I want to give the address. The address is like it is the what is the address, brother? Okay, show that. The address is the 310 by 2 Nasirullah Bari Sonargaon Road, Bangla Motor, Dhaka. I hope you have get the tool. So let's discover what is available into this house. So get up, come on. The most interesting things and the most important of these shops is that this is the Big Lion approximate porting. This porting is validity for 30 years. Let's look at that. And also the proof, you can check it on the QR scan. This is come from US but manufactured from China. So the most important things in this type of approximate porting you will not get anywhere without these shops. So if you really want to buy this approximate porting, you must come here and contact from these customers and from this owner. I will shoot all details on my video description. Okay, show more things. This is the what is this, brother?
That's putting, normal putting.
Oh, it's a normal putting. People usually use this putting after the cleaning the tiles. You can also use this type of things, but I want to show the more interesting things. Like behind me, there is another like tools or machines. It's a vibrate machines. If you want to use it for your tiles level, you can use this. How much is price this right now?
Actually, this price is not fixed.
Not fixed, okay. The average price?
Around 7,000.
7,000 is very useful. All over the countries people are using. This is one of the modern technology in this age of Bangladesh. You can use this side. So what is the more things available? This is the
there is a lot of
parts. Okay, this is the, so what kind of bag is this?
this is a laser light.
Laser light. Oh, okay, show me more. Laser light. Okay, just open it. Okay, this is a laser light. So why it is used this?
Sorry, laser light, hammer drill.
Oh, hammer drill. Okay, sorry, extremely sorry. I have no idea about this. So hammer drill, why is it used this?
Like break the wall plaster.
Oh yes. So break the wall plaster. You can use this hammer. So especially it is used the old building, isn't it?
Yes.
So the next things you can show more. Okay, what is this? Let's look at this. This is one of the most important things. It is called clip, isn't it?
Clip.
So
This
leveling clip. Okay, sorry, it's called a leveling clip. You can use this to level your tiles. So it is one of the modern technology. So if you really want to glorize or make your house with the tiles gloriously beautifully, you have to use this. So from where you will get this? You have to contact from this shop. So everything I will give you the details, no problem. So next things is this one of them. What do you call this? Spacer. Tiles spacer. It is used maybe to line perfectly, to make the line perfectly of the tiles. This is the most important things of this Bangladesh's modern tiles technology and tools also called. You can use it because it is also not expensive. If you really want to make your everything, the floor tiles, the wall tiles, everything to keep line perfect, you have to use this. All things also available. There are small tools available. Okay, I want to show in the short time spacer. What do they call this?
This is also tiles spacer.
Tiles spacer. So why is it used this?
This is very popular.
Yes, popular.
Europe country and also Bangladesh.
It is getting popular.
Yes.
Oh, European or American people use this spacer.
Must be use this spacer.
Oh, you have to must use because we are getting modern. We have to use modern tiles. So modern system we have to follow. Otherwise, it is very difficult to make or to land perfect. Okay, so this is you have to use if you really want to do this. So next things. So what is called is
that is use
with spacer?
Yes, both are use that.
Okay.
Don't know properly.
Okay.
I show you.
Okay. Like this way?
Yes.
Okay, very good system. Look at that, the Chinese thinking. But we are selling this product very cheaply. So you can use this to make you everything glorious and beautifully. So everything is used to make the line perfect on these ties. So this is the most important of our shops. You cannot find the most attractive thing is this. There is a two part. So one part is another elements, another part is another element. So you have to use this. So how to use this? First of all, I'm going to show you shortly. Just look at that. So this is a ground 2 line, and you have to open it and close this and just you have to shine it. Okay, it's everything in the backend.
If you want,
Yes.
there must be if that tool is used.
Which tools also use? Oh, what is the name? This element?
Fitting on that tools.
Oh, there's you have to fitting. I have to fitting this. Oh, okay. If you really want to use this, so you have to also buy these tools, because you have to use this. You have to connect these tools and also use this on the, because otherwise it's very difficult. There is no option to use this. Okay. Okay, keep it now. I will show a small tools available here. This is another machine. It's also vibrator maybe. Okay, and this is the oldest people. Most of the people in Bangladeshi people use this Vixol to clean the ties, normal ties. So if you have no good budget of your ties, or if you really want to use the huge amount of ties, you can use this Vixol and to normal ties, and it is also luxuriable, and every cleaner and every dirt you will be clean with this ties. This is one product of Vixol. This is another product of Vixol. There is any more to show more? I will show this. Okay, come on.
You have to hold your sides.
Okay, okay, beautiful. This is one of them?
Yes, there are lot of.
Just look at this. Especially these tools is for the mechanics or the ties mechanic who face different kind of like difficulties. Like I want to make a hole.
Our have different size. Lot of
Yes.
size we have.
Oh, there are different kind of sizes. Like if you want to make a hole in like before the pipe, before any kind of things, so you cannot. You have to cut the ties in middle. But if you really want to cut perfectly, you have to use these tools. So it is one of the modern. You have to get these tools from these shops. Okay. So I hope you are getting everything well. There are many things available. You are a mechanic of ties. You will understand everything. The shoe brother, just two of this. Okay, there is a like headphone. It's a funny one. But I want to show this. When the sound is huge, it just protect your ear. So it is also important. Like I want to show the scientific things. If you hear the huge sound in a specific room, you have to use this. Otherwise, after one decade, your hair power will be decreased. So you must understand this. Okay, this is tools for mechanic, ties mechanic, I think. So also another thing is available. First of all, I want to understand another thing, but to my uncle show this. Okay.
If you want, put the tiles.
Okay.
Putting, this use that.
Okay, this tools is used when you give the putting. You have to just understanding like this way, and to give the putting in the line properly. For this reason, this tools is used. I hope you have understood everything. There is nothing to show more. Also, many things available. Oh, this is another tools.
Tiles cutter.
Oh, ties cutter.
Bengali name is tela machine.
Tela machine. Okay, very funny man. You're a Bangladeshi, you know about this tela machine. Is called the ties cutter in English. So if you have a big ties, you have to cut shortcutly, you have to use this. But most of the people use the machines. But if you really want to cut the big ties, you have to use this. Do you know how much price is this?
Actually, right now price is increase or decrease. I don't want to.
It depends the market price.
Say you price.
Okay.
If you can't anybody, and I will.
Oh, it's a market price. Depend. Oh, this price is increased, decrease. So I will provide the lowest price. Really come to this place, at least visit these shops and enjoy and see the modern technology. I think there are also available shops in Dhaka city, but this is the only shops you will get all modern tools, all modern elements, and all modern ties related tools you will get from these shops. I hope from this video you have understood many things. Also, you will helping of learning English another, and I hope this video will help me if you want to make your house glorious, beautiful. Use the modern ties to make stable for 100 years. Of course, use this type of elements. From this video, what have you learned? I don't know, but you have to come here this place if you really want to buy the modern tools. I hope, and all things, by the way, I will give in the description of my YouTube channel. Don't worry, you can call to the owner of these shops and come to the house and also everything. So goodbye for this video, and I will come back to another places and other things. Assalamu alaikum.